Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the important update related to TCS NQT 2026. So finally next phase admit card has been out and most of the candidates have exam on 13th of April. So first of all, best of luck to all of the candidates and must check your admit card. Okay, you might not get the mail, but I will suggest use the link. Okay, I will provide in the description and use that because some of the candidates are not getting the mail, still they are having exam. So all India batch, and these are the some exam date 13, 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 27th April. Okay, so for this he was from the Chennai location and he got the nearest location, so must check in case you didn't get it from mail. I suggest must check from the mail because no one know whether you got or not, or you might miss. Okay, this candidates have exam on 13th and he just today morning he got the idea and he basically just DM me, so I thought I should make a video related to this. So best of luck, just focus on the apti part, coding, reasoning and all those stuff. So timing, so there will be again two shifts. One morning shift from 7:30 is reporting time and gate closing time is 8:30 and test timing from 9 AM to 12 PM. Okay, so the things which you need to carry is just a government ID proof. Either you can go with Aadhaar card, PAN card, that is enough, or you have to go with the physical copy of the admit card. Okay, so beside that you should be having at least two photo and just go with all those stuff. Besides that, you can just go through the complete things they have mentioned, do's and don't, about the unfair means, about the prohibited items, about the DOB. Okay, so in your admit card must check that your DOB should not be changed and it should not be, there should not be any discrepancy, otherwise you will not be allowed to enter to the exam center. So if you are the candidates, must go through the playlist which I have already completed and must go through the PYQ coding questions, which will be really helpful for you, especially if you want to crack the digital and prime role, because besides aptitude you should be good enough in coding section. So that's the thing I want to tell. And again, just best of luck. If you have any query, if you are facing any issue, make sure to comment here. I feel very happy to help you. So talking a little bit more about the things, must go through the coding questions, especially array and string based questions, and questions are also being repeated. So just follow the playlist or follow the preparation material which I have already shared in my WhatsApp or Telegram group, and if you haven't joined, must join that. And some students are also getting the interview calls, so whenever some new update will come, I'll provide updates. Okay, so students are also getting offer letter and joining. So this year TCS timing is very fast and that's a good thing. Okay, so just prepare well. Now I think most of the candidates got the admit card. Okay, so just check that. In case you didn't get, you have to wait for some more time, you will get. Some of the important tips I want to share to all of you: just focus on the aptitude. At least you have to solve 10 questions to qualify for the further. If you will not able to clear the foundation section, then it will be very difficult to basically selected for the digital or prime role. So you have to be in good enough in apti, reasoning, English, then only you will be qualified for the further section, that is coding. Okay, so coding related things I've already uploaded video related how to take input and all those. So best of luck. If you have any query, we are here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta, whatever platform you are comfortable, and just go and you will able to crack it. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.